What's up, YouTube? I am back with another video coming to show you how to tie on waist beads. So I've been offering these in the shop recently, and I decided I would put up a video and show you how to tie them on. So I decided to make myself another one and show you how to tie them. So let's go tie them on. I'm back. Okay, so as you can see, I already have some waist beads on, and I think I want these to fit or to sit around, and this is all, you want to figure out where you want your waist beads to sit. Now, if you don't already have some tied on, then I suggest sitting down so you can see how you expand when you sit down. Pro tip number one. Okay, also, if you're really unsure and you haven't been wearing them, tie them on your period, because you'll probably be more bloated then. Another pro tip. But as you can see, I already have some on. I know exactly where I want mine to sit, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie mine on. I'm pretty sure that I want these beads to sit low. I don't personally want to put any more over my belly button. The higher they are, the more uncomfortable it is to eat what you want to eat. So when I tie mine, I like to make sure that I have some room between the beads and the knot on both sides. I have lots of room on this side, but I definitely have room on both sides. So I'm going to put one around me, and I definitely want these to sit a little lower. So once I get them where I want them, I'm gonna tie them. And for me, that's gonna be about here. Now, if your beads, like say yours have a lot more space on them, then what you're gonna do is grab the beads and move them over into the empty space until you get your desired length. So see how it would move those beads that way? And then I would tie this up here if I wanted these to be higher. So I hope that makes sense. So that's why I leave that space. And I don't cut anything until the very end, so nothing is permanent until I'm happy with my bead placement. So, but now I know that I want all these beads. I kind of made this one perfectly since it's for me. So I want this one to sit right around with this white one. So I'm gonna move the beads. I'm gonna go ahead and make my first knot, and then I'm gonna move it down into a knot. So that's my first knot. Now that I have space here, this is a perfect place to tie. I'm gonna go ahead and just create another knot here. I'm gonna grab it, and I already see the knots pulled back, and boom. So that's pretty much secured. I feel comfortable with that. I'm gonna just keep tying. I like to tie about like maybe 4 or 5, sometimes even 6 knots. I figure the more knots, the merrier. Why not, right? So I'm just gonna keep tying until I see a nice little bulge of cotton there. You can see that. I'm gonna take my little scissors and I'm gonna snip. Hopefully that makes sense and you can see. But that's it. So now I've got my extra string. Toss that in the trash, and I have a new waist bead. It sits around the same spot as my others. I like mine to sit higher, so when I do wear crop tops, you can see my beads. Okay, so just so you can see the full effect, I felt so weird, all choppy, but this is all the beads that I wear, and I don't think there is a wrong amount. I don't think, you know, you can go wrong as many as you want to me. So there are all my beads, and I got this little set from one of the local vendors here in Houston. I will link all her information in the description box, but definitely gonna be a tie-dye summer. Hot girl summer, tie-dye summer, whatever.